Hello.
Hello.
So, Sam, tell him where Carly is.
Carly has a cam, and we're gonna dress up,
Well,
the robot.
experience something on Spencer's robot.
Yep.
Carly?
Yeah?
Carly?
Carly, move the camera to Spencer's robot.
Okay, so now we're going to dress it. Or experience on it. Whatever Sam wants to do.
Let's put a dress on it.
Yeah. Carly, is it okay if we borrow one of your dresses? Sure. Sam, go up to Carly's room and get a dress from her room.
Okay. Okay, got one.
Okay.
Okay, time to put it on.
And he's there.
He's gonna be so mad.
Who?
Spencer.
Carly, why is there a yellow laser flashing out of the stairs? I don't know. Sam, look at it.
Okay.
Look, there's a yellow laser flashing out of the stairs, just stepping on it.
I am.
Yeah, we'll leave that alone. Hopefully that'll disappear.
Yeah.
Anyways. Bye! Bye!